Hello everyone, this is Kevin again. I'd like to talk to you about our largest residential rainwater harvesting package for you, the homeowner. This package is like I said, is our largest and works up to about a 2,200 square foot total roof area. Either you've got a large roof area that's close to 2,200 feet, or maybe you're combining several roof areas to get you to that 2,200 square foot amount. So that's our largest residential rainwater harvesting package. It's got some higher volume components to it, but still is just a simple package to make it easier for you, the homeowner. We'll start with our vortex filter, which is actually made out of polypro, which is a low maintenance material. The stainless steel filter in it is, like I said, stainless steel, so it is definitely a low maintenance material. Going from the vortex filter into the storage tank, coming from the piping that enters the storage tank, we actually have a smoothing inlet. What this smoothing inlet does is it slows the water down and kind of limits the amount of turbulence that enters the tank and forces the water back up towards the top of the tank, which really helps to oxygenate the water and keep the water moving, which is providing you the highest quality water in the tank. Once we're in the tank, we've got a floating filter. This floating filter actually comes with a piece of food grade hose, and what happens is with the floating filter you connect it from the hose that comes regularly furnished with a floating filter into your booster pump or your suction pump. These components are kind of for higher volume tanks or some of your larger storage tanks, so you really need the floating filter hooked up to your suction, a booster pump, to help get that volume of water from your larger storage tanks up to up to a level where you can use it for non-potable uses. Maybe you're exceeding what you normally do with watering plants or watering flowers or washing cars. Maybe you want to do a little bit more with the water this time, so this package would allow you to do something like that. Also, as part of the package, we have a dry run protection float switch. What this will do is once the water in the tank reaches a minimal level, it will engage this float switch, and the float switch will actually turn off the suction pump or kill the suction pump, so you don't have to worry about burning the pump up, and is really kind of a dry run protection device. The last component of the system is a level indicator. Like I said, these components are kind of for higher volume uses, so the tank is bigger, so you want to see just exactly how much water you've got left in your tank, because you may be using it for other things besides watering your lawns or your flowers. So this level indicator is really a nice peace of mind kind of component of the package that we offer. So going back through this rainwater harvesting package one more time, it's our largest one, goes up to 2,200 square feet. You got your polypro vortex filter with stainless steel filtration. You've got your smoothing inlet, which is at the end of your piping entering into the tank, so the water is turned upward and reduces the turbulence in the tank. Inside the tank, we've got our floating filter again. The floating filter comes regularly furnished with a piece of food grade hose. The food grade hose actually installs to your booster pump. Your booster pump handles higher volumes of water, so if you've got some other stuff you want to do, some other non-potable uses, this will get you there. Also, another component with the system is this dry run protection float switch, which I talked about. Water gets to a minimum level, the float switch kicks in and turns off your pump. Last component of the system is your level indicator. It's a nice peace of mind tool to let you know exactly how much water you've got left in your tank. So this is our largest rainwater residential package, and thank you for joining us.